This video is going to show you how to manage your sidebar navigation pane right here. So if you recall, everything here is alphabetical order right now, but it would make sense for us to go ahead and reorganize these a little bit, especially if we have our resume here. Probably want to go ahead and put that towards the top of the page. So it's actually pretty easy to do, but does take a few simple steps. First thing you're going to do is go up to here where you have more actions, and you are going to go to Edit Site Layout. Alright, once you go here, once you come all the way over here, go into the sidebar and click inside, and then this is what you're going to be looking at for the next few minutes. Starting at the top, you see the title is Navigation, and when it's checked here, it's going to display that exactly there. So if you do want it to display at the top, I would recommend you change it from Navigation to something simple like Quick Links. It's checked, so it'll show. Now this checkbox automatically organizes my navigation. This is what prompts it to put everything over here in alphabetical order once that box is checked. I would go ahead and uncheck that box, and now you have the control over what pages go in which particular order. In order to do that, all you're going to do is go to the bottom and hit Add Page. Here are all your pages. You do want to go ahead and select them all, so you're going to select them one at a time and hit OK, and you're going to repeat that until all of them are done. So I went ahead and added all of the rest of the pages that we're going to have on our website, and now it's as simple as selecting the page that you want and using the arrows up or down to rename them. So obviously we want the home page at the top, but to me the next page that we would want to put there is the resume. So I'm going to highlight resume, I'm going to use the up arrow, and it's going to go directly underneath home. From here, it's up to you to decide what you want to do. For me personally, I always prefer to have language arts, then math, and then science, social studies, and PE. It's just my own personal preference. Anytime I talk about the subject areas, that's usually the way I refer to them. Language arts, math, science, social studies, and PE. You can honestly put them in any order that you want, but for me personally, that's what I prefer to do. So after you have them where you like them, go ahead and hit OK. And you should see it return to where you want to. When you're all finished, go ahead and hit close. And now here's exactly what you have. Take a quick look at it, make sure it's exactly what you want, and you should be in good shape. I put Click Links here instead of Quick Links, so I do want to change that. And there's also one other quick thing to go ahead and show you. So again, I'm going to go back to More Actions, Edit Site Layout, go ahead and click on Edit Sidebar Item, and we're right here. So I made a mistake there. I'm going to change Click Links to Quick Links. I do still want to display the title. And here's one other thing. If you kind of notice at the bottom, it does have a sitemap, which I don't think that we need. So I can just click this right here. That sitemap will go away. And then when I go ahead and hit OK again and hit close, now this is exactly what I want. Quick Links at the top. It'll go home, resume, language arts, math, science, social studies, and physical education. So for example, if I'm on the math page, here's my math page. I have two ways to get back home. I can either click home right here, or let's say for example I'm on the science page, I can click Test Q 2017 site, and that will also take me back home to where I need to go. So as we wrap up this video, what we've done here is just kind of taken the quick links along the left and just reorganize them to the exact preference that we want.